Hello beautiful, welcome again to Wendy Styles. If you want this style that will sharpen your profile and place where for women that wear glasses or those hair accessories, you are welcome to Wendy Styles. Short natural hairstyles lives here in Wendy Styles, and we are here to bring the best modern, minimalist, and trend-saving short natural hairstyle that will make you look beautiful. And those styles today are those coats that will make you look so gorgeous. One thing about the style is that it's a style that is perfect for really demonstrating your senior citizen confidence with style and ease. One thing about the style today is that their hairstyles that really allows the stylist to really create the hairstyle exactly how you envisioned it. So when you style at home, a dab of styling cream will keep your ringlets supple and defined. So this hairstyle deserves its own spotlight, whether it's coarse or even fine or maybe curly, because there's a cut that will make it look its best even without hours, like in front of the mirror. So if your hair is really going finer, or maybe getting finer with time, this haircut might be just the ticket, because you can see how it gives that natural volume boost, especially for thin hair, and it helps to add fullness without much effort. So let me just let you guys to please savor the first of the styles we have. I appreciate my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. Please stay locked to Wendy Styles for more beautiful short natural haircut coming your way in the next few hours. Bye for now.